Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to see how to create this beautiful, vibrant, colorful eye look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So first step, I'm going to be applying concealer, which is going to be acting as my primer and my base for the eyeshadow. I think this step is very much necessary if you want your eyeshadows to pop and stay on for a long time. Alright, so don't forget to apply an eyeshadow base and primer. I'm blending everything with my fingers. So I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It's such a colorful, vibrant palette. So I'm going to be using the reddish orangey shade on my upper crease area, which will act as the transition shade. As you can see, I'm using this colorful brush. This is from I just forgot. Okay, yeah, this is from Colourfull, and this is like really good. I mean, like, I'm trying it out for the first time and I like the brushes. I got a set of 5 brushes for around 1,500 and something, I don't remember, but they are really doing the job awesome. So if you want me to review these brushes, then please let me know in the comments below. So next up, I'm taking a violety shade on my outer corners and I'm blending it. So the secret is actually to blend, guys. Blend it very seamlessly. Take all the time you want and blend it perfectly, alright? Next time I'm taking this ink blue shade on the middle portion of my eyelid. I'm going to blend it with the violet shade so that it looks like a smooth transition. Next up, I'm going to take a light blue color, but this one is not a matte, this one is a shimmery shade. So I'm filling on my inner corners of the eyelid. Next up, I'm taking a lavender shade. This one is a matte shade, and I'm using this to blend the other colors in place. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm using the NYX's liquid eyeliner. I'm just going to wing it a little bit. Next, I'm going to be applying this peacock green color on my lower lash area using a flat brush. Flat brush makes your job easier, so I'm using a flat brush. You can use any brush of your choice, but I would suggest that you use a brush that has a small tip. So next, for the inner corners, I'm going to be using a light green color, and also I've attached my falsies. This one is from PAC Cosmetics in the shade M83. So on my waterline, I'm applying Nyka's eyeliner pencil, and this one is in the shade Hex. This is such a beautiful, vibrant electronic blue color. This is so pretty. Next up, I'm lining my lips with a brown lip liner, which I usually do. You've probably seen me do this many times, and also I've done my face if you haven't already noticed. So I'm filling in the lips using a liquid lipstick. This is from Colourfull Cosmetics in the shade Tulip. So next, for highlighter, I'm using Nicka K's 24 karat gold highlighter. This is such a beautiful highlighter for a dark skin. I mean, it's gonna be bomb on every skin, but I hope that this will be more friendly towards the dark skin girls because it has a golden tint. So if you have a yellow undertone, this is going to be bomb on you. But it's going to take some time to blend it. So blending everything in place, applying a little on the inner corners of my eye. And that's it, I'm done. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Alright, bye bye.